I've been hearing other people talking about me, hating on my name like I'm some joke. But when I catch the nigga, slap the nigga with my pimp hand. Shut the fuck up like he never spoke. Don't let these suckers mistake you, they're only entertainment. Their arms are tied, connected to a rope. Yeah, connected to a rope. You say you heard of my name and you know where I'm from, so I shouldn't play the whole game, call you Honey Bun. I wasn't hollering at you, girl, you are the ugliest one. I like to clown and see what's down with your friends trying to get drunk. Two of my homies, some of your girls, but I want one-on-one. We can play hide it and get it, she gon' run for the fun. I'ma get it, cause I'm young and dumb, sack full of cum. She let me hump, but I didn't cut because my name's in some stuff. Lately I've been hearing other people talking about me, hating on my name like I'm some joke.